This election showed us that our current voting system, first past the post, is completely broken. Millions of people are not going to see the choices they made at the ballot box reflected in this Parliament. We saw some outrageously unfair results. So UKIP and the Greens got 5 million votes but just 2 seats in Parliament, whereas the SNP has got 56 seats for getting 5% of the UK-wide vote share. So today we've seen the leaders from 5 political parties from completely different parts of the political spectrum, UKIP, the Greens, Plaid, the SNP and the Liberal Democrats, all adding their voices to the campaign for electoral reform. They went to number 10 Downing Street and handed in the signatures of nearly 500,000 citizens, all demanding electoral reform. It's wonderful to see parties coming together, whether they benefit from the first past the post system or not. In a modern democracy, everyone's voices should be heard and their votes translated into a fair share of seats in Parliament. Our campaign is gaining ground every day. If you join us, we can make this the last election ever held under our old-fashioned first past the post system and win fairer votes for all.